Wander on foot or cycle along the Cotswold Way, a long-distance trail that showcases the area's scenic charm. History lovers can explore sites like Sudley Castle and Broadway Tower, while garden aficionados will be mesmerized by Hidcote Manor Garden and Snowshill Manor. The lively market towns of Chipping Campton and Cirencester offer a taste of local culture with unique crafts and delectable local produce. The Cotswolds is also a wildlife sanctuary. Spot deer, foxes, and various bird species as you explore ancient woodlands and traditional English gardens. The region's plant life is equally impressive, with colorful wildflowers brightening the landscape. Culturally, the Cotswolds embodies traditional English countryside charm.